Hi everyone, this session is about operations on languages. The first operation is concatenation. Let us take two languages L1, L2, and the concatenation operation on L1, L2 can be written as L1, L2 is equal to UV such that U belongs to L1, comma V belongs to L2. That means first we need to write the string from L1 followed by the string from L2 so that we can form the new string. Let us see with the example L1 equal to 0011, L2 is equal to 0, 1. These two are the languages defined over the alphabet 0, 1. And concatenation of L1, L2 is defined as first we need to write the string from L1 that is 0, 0 and besides that we need to write the string L2 that is 0 and 0, 0, 1. Next we are writing 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. And let us define L2, L1. That means first we need to write the strings from L2 concatenated with L1. So first we are taking the string from L2, then concatenation with the string L1, 0, 0. Next we are writing 0 from L2 and 1, 1 from L1. Next 1 from L2 and 0, 0 from L1. 1 from L2 and 1, 1 from L1. Let us see the strings which are in L1, L2 and L2 and L1. These two are different, both are not same. So that L1, L2 is not same as of L2, L1. Then we can say that concatenation is not commutative. But whereas concatenation is associative, that means I can write it as ABC is equal to ABC. That means concatenation of BC should be done first, then concatenated with ABC. And then AB are concatenated, then AB is concatenated with C. Both will have the same set of strings so that it is associative. Let us see some more operations on languages, that is clean closure or star operation. Suppose L is a language and the star operation on L can be defined as L star is equal to L power 0 union L power 1 union L power 2 union L power 3 union and so on, where L power 0 is epsilon, that is string of length 0. L power I can be defined as L power I minus 1 is concatenated with L, where I is greater than 0. That means whenever we want to calculate L power 2, it should be concatenated with L and L. L power 3, in order to calculate L power 3, we need to concatenate L power 2 with L. So let us take an example L equal to 0, 0, 1. So then we are going to calculate L power 2 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0 is concatenated with 1 and 1 is concatenated with zeros and 1 is concatenated with 1. This is how we are going to get these 4 strings when L is concatenated with L. L power 3 can be calculated as L2 can be concatenated with L. That means all these 4 strings we need to write first and these must be concatenated with this L, that is 0, 0 and 1. So let us write 4 zeros and besides that we need to write 0, 0 and 4 zeros, besides that we need to write 1. Next 0, 0, 1, after that we need to write 2 zeros and 0, 0, 1 is concatenated with 1 and 100 is concatenated with 00, 100 is concatenated with 1, and 1 is concatenated with 00, then 1 is concatenated with 1. This is how we have calculated L power 3, and so on we can calculate L power 4 also. So L star can be defined as L power 0 union, that means epsilon comma L power 1. So 001 comma L power 2, that is 000 comma 001 100 comma 11 and so on. So union of all these strings can be formed as L power star. So empty string is existed in the clean closure. Let us see positive closure. Positive closure consists of only non-empty strings. That is, positive closure of L can be represented as L power plus. That means we are just excluding this empty string from L star. That can be written as L power plus is equal to L power star, that is clean closure minus epsilon. In another way, we can write it as L power star is equal to L power plus union epsilon. That means the zero length string that is not at all belong to the language L plus, that is positive closure. Thank you and happy learning.